Guys, we're in war. Ah!
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
We're gonna put this in the microwave and we're gonna do as it says and listen carefully. Okay?
Okay.
So, listen up.
Yay! Shoot!
I gotta listen carefully! Be quiet! You listening carefully?
Yeah.
Be very careful.
It's not doing anything.
What am I listening for?
What are we listening for?
It's broken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 30. It's hard to keep count. 37, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 44. Oh, it's impossible. You can't keep count.
Yeah, you can't keep count. It's impossible. We got like 100 and something now. It's like 142 or 243. Yeah.
We're gonna have to make a bet. How many do you think popped?
100.
I'll guess 120. We'll see who's
101.
closer. So don't take a handful because we're gonna count them as we eat them. Do we still listen carefully? I think it's about done.
I think I picked 101. Do you pick 120?
I think it's about done. We're gonna burn it.
And yeah.
120. That was it.
That was. And wait,
You
where's?
can see the butter leaking out. Hold on. Do. Those look like old lady pajamas. Okay, you need me to help you across the street?
Do you just want me to?
Yeah.
Yeah, welcome. I too old. Bye, let's go walk. Alright.
Get over there! Taking too long. Does it fit?
Yep, it fits.
So we were way off. We ate 187 popcorn pieces. And then there were the crumbs. So we're playing air golf.
Yeah, I hit her in the face already.
Ow! That one really hurt. You got me right in the gutsels. Here, come here. Come here, kid. You threw it hard. Oh, I missed. Hit me right there.
I'm so sorry, buddy.
Watch where you're going.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold it real far away now. You missed. Whatever. Nope.
Alright. Okay.
Okay. She's the mean one.
Yes, I am.
We watched Titanic today.
It made me cry.
It makes me cry every time.
Alright, you get one more and then we'll play beanbag hunt.
Okay. You got all my stuff.
I am so sorry, buddy, for hitting you in the gut.
Hey. Yeah. Yeah. I'm rich. Okay. Guys, we're in war. Ah! Put your fort back up. We're hiding behind our fort, guys. Get her.
I don't have one.
I was throwing good, trust me. I was. Hang on.
I got two.
Stop moving out of the way. That was close. Oh, they hit each other. Oh, man. Fire! Ah! Fernania!
I never knew I would go hard on this.
Oh no, I shouldn't have worn white pants today. What was I thinking? Oh, she's waiting until she's completely loaded up. Hit me with your best shot. We're doing another beanbag hunt. I'm trying to think, there's not many places in their yard to hide them. And I don't want to hide them in the same places where she already found them. Oh, you could see Oreo. Hi, oh, I didn't mean to scare you. Two more. I put one in the grass. Oh, you can't even see it. Oh, maybe that one's too hard. So I'll hide one real close to it. So that's good, right? One left.
Ready?
Yes.
Then I'll have Niall. I was like deal.
Is there any over here?
Yes.
Is there any more?
One more.
Oh. Hi, Gracie. I see one. One.
There's three of them, but they're in plain sight. Because right where you can see them. Because I knew if I tried to hit them in here, it'd be too hard.
Uh-huh. And the last one is red or yellow. Is it over there?
This side.
So it isn't under anything? Oh, I see it. And now I got 3 reds. Wait, right? 1. Yeah, 3 reds and 1 yellow. So, is there any hidden over there?
There might be if you check the mail.
Really? Did you do?